Okay, students, we continue problems based on method of substitution on indefinite integral concept. And we are in class number 10, as good as lecture number 10, both are same meaning. In all these problems, you need to take appropriate substitution for suitable function, then differentiate, convert full problem in terms of new variable, evaluate by known methods, and change back your answer in terms of given variable. If given variable is x, change back in terms of x. If given variable is theta, change back in terms of theta, and so on. We continue problems under the concept of integration by method of substitution. Evaluate. Evaluate integration. Evaluate integration. Tan 2x power 4. Tan 2x power 4 into secant square 2x. Take I equal. Let I equal to given problem, that is tan 2x power 4 into secant square of 2x. So in the view of differentiation of tan 2x is in the form of secant square 2x. So we shall put tan 2x equal to t. Put. You can take t or z, anything. Say z. Put z equal to tan of 2x. Compulsorily differentiate with respect to x. On differentiating with respect to x, differentiation of tan 2x is 2 secant square 2x. But our problem is having only secant square 2x. So in that view, now we can write as dz by 2 equal to secant square 2x dx. You may call 2 and 3. Now write from 2 and 3 using in 1. Now I becomes integration. For tan 2x we can write as z. Power 4 remains same. Whereas secant square x 2x becomes dz by 2. Now it's a normal integration. How much integration of z4 4, z4 5 by 5, and already 1 by 2 outside, then into z4 5 divided by 5 plus constant. 2 into 5 become 10, and also replace back value of z. Z value is tan 2x. Hence I equal to tan 2x power 5 divided by 10 plus next problem. Evaluate. Evaluate integration 1 divided by x into log x to the power of m. First step, take I, and we can rewrite the given problem in our convenient manner as log x to the power of minus m at numerator position into 1 divided by x. And easily we can expect that we have to put for log x. Put z equal to log x. You can put t also or theta, choice is yours. Because there is a support of 1 by x. Differentiating with respect to x. dz by dx equal to 1 by x. Or 1 by x dx equal to dz. And write that from 2 and 3 using in 1. Hence now I becomes integration z to the power of minus m. Remaining is dz. Now it is normal integration type, it's just like integration of x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Here z power minus m plus 1 divided by minus m plus 1 plus c. And essentially replace back value of z. Z value is log x. So it is log x to the power of minus m plus 1 divided by minus m plus 1 plus constant. Next problem. Evaluate. Evaluate integration sin x divided by sin of x minus alpha or x minus a dx. Understandably, a is non-zero constant. Where a non-zero constant, that is quite understood. Solution. First step, take I. Let I equal to integration of sin x divided by sin of x minus a. Call 1. And in this problem, the ideal substitution is for x minus a. Put x minus a equal to t. Put t equal to x minus a. Implies x equal to how much? T plus a. Differentiate with respect to x. dt by dx equal to differentiation of x 1, differentiation of a 0, or dt by dx equal to 1. Hence dt equal to dx or dx equal to dt. Now write the sentence that from 2 and 3, 1 changes to, or from 2 and 3 using 1, I equal to integration sin. Notice in mind, we have to convert our problem completely in terms of t. In that process x. What is the x value? T plus divided by sin of t. dx value is dt. Numerator is in the form of sin of a plus b. Sin of a plus b formula is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Further, I equal to integration sin a means sin t into cos a becomes cos a only plus cos b becomes cos a. Cos a sin b, that is cos t into sin a. divided by sine of t. Now we separate in terms. We are using the formula sine of a plus b. And sine of a plus b formula is sine a cos b plus cos a sine a. Next step, we separate the terms. On separating the terms, first term sine b cos a divided by sine t. Next term cos t sin a divided by sin t. So that here sin t cancels, but here cos t by sin t will become cot t. That is equal to integration cos a plus sin a into cot of t dt. And you keep in mind that we are now integrating with respect to t. Because of integration with respect to t, cos a constant, sin a constant, they can be taken outside their respective integrations. So let's keep cos a, sin a out of the respective integration. What it becomes is that cos a into integration of 1 dt plus sin a into integration of cot t dt. Further, integration of 1 dt is t cos a into t plus sin a into integration of cot t is log of sin t plus constant. And replace back value of t without pair. What is t value? T value is x minus a. So finally it becomes cos a into x minus a plus sin a into log of sin of x minus a. Next problem. Quite similar, you try yourself evaluate, just like last problem type. Evaluate integration of sin x divided by sin of x plus a. I solved with x minus a, you solved with x plus a, but method is same. Next question. Under method of substitution, evaluate. Evaluate integration square root of x square plus 2x plus 3 into x plus 1 dx. Take I. Let I equal to given integration problem. Observe differentiation of x square 2x, differentiation of 2x 2, Differentiation of 3 is 0 left out. That means here you will get accurate 2x plus 2. It's possible. After all 2 common, that becomes x plus 1. So we shall put x square plus 2x plus 3 equal to z in this problem. Put t equal to x square plus 2x plus 3. Differentiate dt by dx equal to 2x plus 2 or 2 common into x plus 1. Hence x plus 1 dx will become how much? Dt by 2. Therefore dt by 2 equal to x plus 1 dx. And you call given integration as 1. Now write from 2 and 3 using in 1 or from 2 and 3 1 changed. I becomes as integration square root of t. Remaining is dt by 2. Square root of t means that t to the power of half. It is integration of t to the power of half into dt by 2. Keep 1 by 2 outside and also at the same time integration of t to the power of half is t to the power half plus 1 divided by half plus 1 plus c. Further 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2. Hence 1 by 2 t to the power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 plus c. Now 2 cancel out. And also at the same time replace back value of t. Finally I equal to 1 divided by 3 into. So replacing t value is x square plus 2x plus 3. Now it is x square plus 2x plus 3 to the power of 3 by 2 plus constant. Next question. Next question, on the continuation of substitution method, evaluate. Evaluate integration of x cube into sine of tan inverse of x power 4. Sine of tan inverse x power 4 divided by 1 plus x power 8 dx. First step, take I. Let I equal to sine of tan inverse of x power 4 and remaining we shall write together. What's remaining? X cube divided by 1 plus x power 8 dx. Say equation 1. Now expect in mind what will be the ideal substitution. Ideal substitution for entire tan inverse of x power 4, because when we differentiate tan inverse x power 4, what is the answer? 1 by 1 plus x power 4 whole square means 1 by 1 plus x power 8 into differentiation of x power 4 is 4x cube. So all this expression can be got. So we shall put t equal to tan inverse of x power 4. Compulsorily differentiate. Next step, right? On differentiating, dt by dx equal to differentiation of tan inverse function is 1 by 1 plus function square. Means 1 by 1 plus x power 4 whole square. Not enough. Into differentiation of x power 4 is 4x cube. But our problem is having x cube only. So 4 shifted to other side. Hence dt by 4 is equal to x cube divided by 1 plus x power 4 whole square is x power 8 dx. Now write from 2 and 3 using in 1, or from 2 and 3 1 changed. So now I becomes integration. Sine of tan inverse x power 4 value is taken as t, which becomes sine t. Remaining term will become dt divided by 4. Lastly, 1 by 4 outside, and integration of sine t is minus cos t. So it is minus 1 by 4 into cos t plus constant. Replace back value of t. What is t value? T value is tan inverse of x power 4 minus 1 by 4 into cos of tan inverse of x power 4. But what these examples I am solving, they are not one in number, they are actually many in number. This may be given with the sine square. If it is given with sine square, there is no change in method or mechanism. Here we get sine square t. So we don't have directly integration formula for sine square t. Apply the formula for sine square t as 1 minus cos 2t by 2. Then integrate, replace back value of t. Or instead of sine, it may be cos, it may be sec, it may be cot, it may be cosec. So this one example can be put in several ways. And not only x power 4, if it is x power 5, it will be given 100% 1 plus x power 10, supported by x power 4 like that. So in this particular time, when we solve one problem, it's not one problem, it's a multiple of problems. Only expression can change, sin to cos, cos to sin, sin to tan, but working method will remain same. Next question. Find or evaluate. Evaluate integration of tan square 3 root x divided by root x dx. I equals to integration of tan square 3 root x right into root x preferable call 1. You can expect easily differentiation of root x is in terms of 1 by 2 root of x. So we should put root x equal to t. As good as x equal to t square, both are same. Differentiate. Differentiation of root x is 1 by 2 root of x equal to differentiation of t is dt by dx. We have 1 by root x dx, that much only can be got, which implies 1 by root x dx equal to how much? 2 dt. Now you say the word that from 2 and 3 using in 1 or from 2 and 3 1 changes. I equal to integration of tan square of 3t. Rest 1 by root x dx will become 2 dt. Two is outside. 2 into integration of tan square 3t. By past class experience, easily we can tell that we don't have formula for integration of tan square, but we have formula for integration of secant square. Convert tan square in terms of secant square. So many times we converted. Once again, that chance. Tan square a. How much tan square a? Secant square a minus 1. So now tan square 3d means secant square 3t minus 1. Now we can split integration. 2 into first term integration of secant square 3t minus integration of 1 dt. That is equal to 2 into how much integration of secant square 3t tan 3t, not only tan 3t divided by 3. So it is 1 by 3 into tan of 3t minus, should be aware of variable. Integration of 1 is x, no doubt if your variable of integration is x, but variable of integration is t. So integration of 1 dt will be t, more importantly not x, plus constancy, and replace back value of t. What is t value? Root x. 2 into 1 by 3 tan of 3 into root x minus root x plus c. Next 2-3 questions are similar. You put efforts yourself in your home. It's a good practice for your part. Try these 3-4 similar to last problem. Find or evaluate integration of sine of 5 root x divided by root x dx. Here what is substitution? Substitution for is root x. Next, find or evaluate. Find integration of cos square root x divided by root x. Here put root x equal to t. Another find integration of cot square 7 root x divided by root x dx. Try these 3 yourself, just like last problem type they are. And if you try, you will become still more perfect in these kind of problems. Right, the next problem. Find or evaluate. Evaluate integration of 1 plus x into e raised to x dx divided by cos square of x e raised to x. Take I. Let I equal to integration 1 plus x e raised to x dx divided by cos square of x e raised to x. Now, you observe x e raised to x, and when it is differentiated by product, first function x into differentiation of e power x is e power x, second function e power x into 1, what is common? E power x, how much left? 1 plus x. So obviously we shall put for x e power x in this problem. Put t equal to x into e power x. Come to differentiate with respect to x. Differentiation of t dt by dx. Here by product rule, first function x into differentiation of e power x is e power x plus second function e power x into differentiation of x is 1. Here we can take common. What is common? E power x, in the bracket left x plus 1. Hence only dt equal to e power x into x plus 1 dx. Now write from 2 and 3 using it 1. From 2 and 3 using it 1. I equal to integration. For x plus 1 e power x dx, what we can write? Dt divided by cos square of t. It is 1 by cos square t. What is 1 by cos square t? Secant square t. And lastly, what is integration of secant square t? Directly tan t plus constant k. And replace back value of t without fail. T value is x e power x. Finally answer is tan of x into e power x plus k. Next problem. Find or evaluate. Find or evaluate integration x plus 1 into e power x, just like last problem, divided by sine of x into e power x dx. So by observing the last problem, easily we can expect that we have to put for which one? X e power x. Put t equal to x into e power x. Come to differentiate dt by dx equal to right hand side by product rule. First function x into differentiation of e power x in e power x plus second function e power x into differentiation of x is 1. That 1 is omitted. Or dt by dx equal to right hand side, what is common? E power x. How much left? X plus 1. From this only dt becomes x plus 1 e power x dx. You say that from 2 and 3 one changes, or from 2 and 3 using it 1. So now I equal to integration. For x plus 1 e power x dx we can write as dt by sin t. Further, what is 1 divided by sin t? It will be cosec t. Therefore, list of formulas. I told that write all formulas in separate page and keep in front of you, and you try to read some formulas every frequent way, means every now and then. So by using integration of cosec x formula, see the list, by the list what you can find is that integration of cosec x is log of cosec x minus cot x. So here log. Modulus can be taken, or you can don't try to understand. Log of modulus of cosec t minus cot t plus constant c. And more importantly, replace back value of t. So it is log modulus of cosec. What is t? X e power x minus cot of t. What is t? X e power x plus constant. Again, next 2-3 questions similar. For your practice, you try yourself, find or evaluate. Integration. Integration 1 minus x into e power minus x dx divided by tan square of x e power minus x. You can expect that easily. In this problem, we have to put t equal to x into e power minus x. So when this is taken substitution, differentiate dt by dx equal to x into differentiation of e to the power of minus x is minus e to the power of minus x plus e power minus x as it is into differentiation of x is 1, and what is common? E power minus x, how much left? 1 minus x, exactly same. So you put in this problem t equal to x into e power minus x. Another one, find or evaluate integration x plus 1 e power x dx divided by all divided by cosec square. Cosec square x e power x. You try these to yourself in home. So for further examples we shall read in the next class. Thank you.